Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, December 15th. We are back in negative territory once again, extending the slide that we saw post Fed Chair Powell yesterday, who was, he was pretty hawkish, let's be honest. Back to the downside we go. Here's a look at futures this morning, about a full percent for the S&P right now, 0.95, 0.69 for the Dow, 1.18 meanwhile. For the NASDAQ, under pressure as we saw late in the day yesterday as well. TSX here in Toronto, futures anyways, pointing to a 0.6% decline to kick things off today. Crude oil back to the upside, both Bitcoin and Ethereum back under pressure as well. Yeah, it was all about those comments that we were expecting to be the most exciting part of the afternoon yesterday in the press conference. Fed Chair Powell reiterating their stance about more hikes going into next year and a higher final terminal rate of 5.1% that he was projecting before the first half of the year next year ends. So that's a look at the overall market anyways. Back to the downside again this morning, around that 400 to 398 range we've been discussing over the past couple of weeks. Here comes Tesla, more selling. Yet we were wondering last week whether or not this was going to be the case. We learned today, yes, indeed, he has been in there selling $3.6 billion worth, in fact, of Tesla shares once again. 1, 2, 3 big red candles to the downside for Tesla shares. I mean, this stock has been under pressure since back in October. So Musk cashing out more to help prop up this Twitter experiment that continues. NVIDIA, downside. Chips as a whole, downside a little bit here in the pre-market. HSBC initiating coverage with a reduce look and weak outlook for NVIDIA specifically, but they're all under pressure here. We'll have a look at these MRNA stocks again, Moderna specifically, coming off back-to-back big days to the upside. We are starting the day a little bit lower here for MRNA so far this morning. Snap shares under pressure here. Yeah, Jefferies downgrading Snapchat this morning. We'll have a look at that. Novavax, an interesting look as well. $125 million offering coming through from NVAX. That's the way their daily chart looks right now. And Apple also on watch this morning. No significant news there, but was a little more positivity coming out of China as far as a reopening is concerned. So we'll see if big tech can't lead us back to the upside this morning. Grab that watch list this morning, guys, and come join us at 8:30. Use that QR code on screen right now. Just enter your email, and then it just appears for you every day in your inbox. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.